the BMW Vision iNEXT. It's a vision car you have never seen from BMW before. With our next generation of electric drivetrains, with a range up to 435 miles. The traditional automobile definitely has turned into a smart car. One key topic for this great performance is the already fifth generation of our highly flexible modular electric powertrain kit. We live this in an end-to-end approach, from securing raw materials, having all competences for batteries, for power electronics and e-motors in-house, to second life and recycling of batteries. Our test fleets are constantly evolving in the US, Europe and China. Also testing here in California, for example. We are planning to take our technology, which enables safe autonomous driving, to serious maturity by 2021. Level 3 will be available for all customers, and level 4 and 5 offerings will be ready, but usage will depend on the conditions all over the world. The fully electric BMW Vision iNEXT will serve as an accelerator, demonstrating our company's strength in innovation.
The task for BMW i is to innovate and inspire, not just in terms of new technologies, but also in terms of design. And if you look at this exterior design with me for a moment, then first of all, you'll notice it's a sports activity vehicle. The proportions are somewhere between X5 and X6. We have roughly the footprint of an X5 and the height, overall height of an X6. The interior design, though, is where we think you will see the biggest amount of change in the next 5 years. So all of this, we believe, will create a very high-tech, but a very warm and a very human environment. So we talk in this vehicle about shy-tech. The technology is there for you, but it is not so visible in the design, and it only appears when you need it. So all in all, this is what we are working on. This is our vision for the future, and that is why it's called the BMW Vision iNEXT.